Ma'am, may I audible?
Yes, sir.
Shall I start recording?
Audio okay, sir?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Good evening, children. 6, 7, and 8 standard science. Today we are going to learn the topic about in optic lesson reflection. In last class, we study about the kinds of mirror and then laws of reflection also. Is there any doubt in that topic? Means you please ask me. I think you revised the chapter. Is there any doubts or any clarification? Means you please ask me. Okay, today we are going to learn the types of reflections. Yes, there are two types of reflection. One is regular reflection, and then another one is irregular reflection. One is regular reflection, and then second one is irregular reflection. How the regular and then irregular reflections are formed. What is reflection? Yes, we learned that different kinds of bodies can reflect the light rays. The soft surface bodies are reflected the light rays. This is the basic concept of light. Okay, so the amount of reflection depends on the nature of the reflecting surface of the body. So the reflection of the light is dependent on the nature of the surface. This is the main concept. Depends upon the surface, the light will be reflected. Okay. So based on the nature of the surface, the reflection is classified into two types. That is, one is regular, another one is irregular. Based on the surface, the reflection is classified into two types. One is a regular reflection and another one is irregular reflection. Okay. So, what is a regular reflection? So, regular reflection means the surface is normal. That is smooth surface. That is main concept, is it? So the beam of light falls on the smooth surface. Just to imagine, this is the smooth surface. When we pass the light rays to that surface, the beam of light is passed here, the smooth surface. So this is the smooth surface. The light rays is passed through the smooth surface. So automatically it will reflected. So how it is reflect? In this manner. So this is incident ray. The red colors are incident ray. Black colors are reflected ray. So how it is? Yes, it looks like very nice. So in this manner, the regular reflection is occur. So after reflection, the reflected rays will be parallel to the incident ray. Is it parallel or not? Yes, each and every rays are parallel. So the incident ray and then reflected rays both are in parallel. So the angle of incident and the angle of reflection will be equal also. Each and every rays. So the angle of incident and then angle of reflection also same. This is the right formation. Yes, the regular reflection is followed the laws of reflection. Yes, the regular reflection is applicable for the law of reflection. So this reflection, this kind of reflection is called as regular reflection or specular reflection. Regular or specular. So in regular reflection means beam of light falls on the smooth surface, it gets reflects. So after reflection, the reflected rays will be parallel to each. So that is possible, that is correct in this area. The angle of incident and angle of reflection will be equal each and every rays. That is also correct. So the law of reflection is obeyed in this case. So this kind of reflection is called as regular reflection or specular reflection. The example of regular reflection is then normal surface, that is plane mirror reflection. The light by in the plane mirror made the reflection of light from the surface in still water also. So this is the example for the regular or specular reflection. And then next one is irregular reflection. What is irregular? Irregular reflection. Irregular reflection means in this part, the body having rough or irregular surface. The body is not in smooth. It is in rough manner. It is not in a regular surface. Like the normal road. In our normal tar road is like this only. So this is the irregular surface or rough surface, not a smooth surface. This is rough surface. So here the light falls on that surface means the incident ray is normal. Okay, so these are all the incident ray. Beam of light is passed into the rough surface. So after the reflection, the reflected rays is normal. It is not in parallel. So it is irregular manner. The reflection is not normal. So in this manner, the reflection is occur in irregular reflection. So light falls on the surface, rough surface, the light rays are reflected in different angles. The angles are not correct. So the angle of incident and the angle of reflection is not correct compared to the regular reflection. So the law of reflection is not obeyed. So the law of reflection is not obeyed in irregular reflection. So this kind of reflection is called as irregular reflection or diffused reflection. What is diffused reflection means? The light is passed on the rough surface means the reflected rays are the angles are not proper in that condition. So it is called as irregular reflection. So the light rays are reflected in different angles. It is not in correct manner. So this is called as irregular reflection. So there are two types of reflection. One is regular and then another one is irregular or diffused reflection. So regular reflection means the light is passed in the smooth surface means reflected rays will be parallel to each other. But irregular reflection means light falls on the rough surface means light reflected rays in that different angles. So this is the concept of regular and irregular reflection. So law of reflection is obeyed in that first regular reflection. In irregular or diffuse reflection, law of reflection is not obeyed. Okay. So and next one, next topic is how the images are formed in that concave mirror. That is that second topic. So how the images are formed in that concave. There are two kinds of mirror. One is concave and then another one is convex, yes. That is the basic concept. Already we studied in last session what kind of mirrors and what kinds of lens. There are two kinds of mirror. One is concave and then another one is convex. First we are going to see the images formed in concave mirror. Images formation. How the images are formed in concave mirror. So just depends upon that object position and then size and nature, the ray diagram is differ in concave mirror. Okay, so the position, size and nature of the image is drawing the ray diagram of a small linear object. So, in the principal axis of the concave mirror, what is the different position? Yes, the object is kept in that infinity position, and then second, there are 2 or 3 position we are going to learn. First, we kept the object in that So this is regular reflection. First, we are going to see the picture about that regular and then irregular. This is incident rays. This is reflected rays. Okay. So this is the regular reflection picture. Next one is irregular reflection or diffuse reflection. So this is not smooth surface. This is rough surface. The light is passed into the diffuse, rough surface means the reflected rays. The angles are differ. So this is the correct picture of diffused reflection. Yeah, with the help of the simulation, we are going to learn about the images formed in concave mirror. So, the simulation will give the very good clear idea about the images. Okay, so how the images are formed? I already told we are going to keep the pictures in different areas. First, just you going to see that. How that this is the object. Yes, the object is the candle. How the object is moved in all areas. The position also differ. Reverse and then irreverse. The size also differ each and every part. Okay. So, yes, this is the clear picture of that. How the imagination, how the images are formed in this concave mirror. Okay. So, how that images are formed? This is the object. This is the center of the curvature, and this is focus point. This is called as pole. And then how the this is the mirror, and then how the reflection is occur in this area. Okay. So, how the images are formed? First, think. Reflection. What is reflection? Reflection means the light is travel in one medium. We will get, it will come to that another portion. The light is come to that. Yes, already we saw one simulation, how the reflection is occur. Water to air medium, air to glass medium. In this, there are different kinds of medium. How the reflection was occur. So, the reflection concept is very clear, I think. So, the light is traveling in one medium and then contact to that surface, water or air like that. So the part of it is reflected into that another medium. Okay. So what is the there are two kinds of mirrors. One is concave, one then convex mirror. Concave mirror is that the spherical mirror, the reflected, the light takes place in a surface in that bended area. Okay. And next one is pole. So this is pole point. So it is the center of the reflecting surface of the concave mirror. So the center of the point is called as pole point. Okay, generally it is noted as letter P. So the pole point letter is P. And then next one is center of curvature. Center of curvature means center of the sphere on which the concave mirror form a part is denoted, the letter is C. So, the center of the curvature point is denoted as letter C. And next one is the principal axis. This is the center line is called as principal axis. The straight line passing through the center of the curvature. So, the poles of the concave mirror is called as that principal axis. What is pole point? What is center of curvature? And then what is principle of axis? And then principle of focus. That is letter F. That is called as principal focus. A beam of light or incident parallel to the principal axis after the reflection from the spherical mirror, the fixed point to the principal axis. That fixed point is called as principal focus. So, we are getting some idea about what is pole, what is focus, what is center of curvature, and what is the principal axis. Okay, so next we are going to do that simulation. So, this is the tabular column. So, how the object we are going to, okay, what are the position, object position is between pole F and C and at C, beyond C. These are all the position we are going to fix the object. What is the object? The object is candle. Okay. First position between pole and focus. So this is the pole point. This is the focus point. So going to move the object between pole and focus. Very good. Yes, we are getting the image. How it is? Yet, what is the position of that? It is behind position. So, what is the imagination position and then imagination size and then nature of the picture. Nature of the picture. And then next one is observe the image size and then observe the image position also. How it is occur? First one, between C and F, beyond C, infinity, behind the mirror at C. Where it is? Yes, it is behind the mirror. Sit or not? It is behind the mirror. How is the size is? It is a large size. It is called as magnified. How is the image? Yes, it is in virtual and erect. So, we are going to select that. First one is beyond C. And then second one, observe the image sizes. It is in large, so magnified. And then third one is real or inverted, virtual or erect. Yes, it is real, inverted or virtual erect. Virtual and erect is the right answer. So, when we kept the object between two pole and focus means this kind of imagination will be get in this area. So this is the first ray diagram. Ray diagram means nothing but how the imagination, how the images are formed in the different kinds of mirror. Yes, this is concave mirror. When we kept the object between the focus point and that pole point, the imagination will be getting this size. And next one is at focus point. Yes, now I'm going to move the object, the correct focus point. Where is the image? So the image is not, we can't identify it where it is. So this is called as infinity. Infinity means the images is not occur in this area. It is far. So this is called as infinity position. And then next one is how the image size. It is magnified so that we can't see that picture in this area. It is very large. So this is called as magnified position. And then real and inverted. Nature is this. Real and inverted only will be occur in that focus point position. So the answer of this, where the imagination, yes, the imagine is, sorry, the images in infinity position, and then image size is magnified in large size. And then first one is real and then inverted. Okay, yeah. So this is the right answer for the second point, second case. And then third one is between F and C. Between F and C means we want to move the candle between F and C. Wow, the image is reversed. Yes, inverted images occur when we kept the object between C to F point. This is the real imagination. The real picture was occur. That is real. I mean, the real and the inverted images, reverse picture was occur when we kept the object between C and F. So, we are going to select the right answer. Where is the imagination? The first one, where it is beyond C. So, where between C and F, beyond C at infinity, behind the mirror. Where is occur? Yes, beyond C. This position is called as beyond. So, you want to choose the beyond C point. And next one is how the imagination, yes, it is in magnified position only. So, and then next one is nature, how it is real and inverted images only. So, real and inverted images was occur in that object was kept in between the F and C point. Next position is at C point. When we kept the object into the C point. Wow, how it is? Yes, it looks very nice. Where is the images occur? The same point at C only. How the images are occur? Same size. The size is not difference. There is no difference of the sizes. How the images, it is real and inverted. So these 3 points, when we kept the object into that C point. So the image's position is at C only. Observe the image size also same size. The same size of the object. And then how it is that imagination nature is It is a real and inverted image. So last one is beyond C. When we are going to place the object beyond C position. So beyond C position. So first, where is the image occur? Between the C and F. So between C and F point, we are getting the imagination. So how the image is formed? When we keep the object beyond C position means the image will be getting that C to F point. And then how the imagination is very small. It is not a large, it is very small size. The nature of the image is a real and inverted image. Okay, so this is the answer for this position. First one is, where is the image is formed? Between C and F point. The image size is, the smaller size is called as diminished. And then next one, it is real and inverted image. So these are all the right answer for this positions. Okay. Now I'm going to type the submit. Yes, these are all the right. So which one is red mark? Yeah, the first one is in red mark. So this is not right answer. First one is that behind the mirror is the right answer. So these are all the right answers for the position. I think students, is that clear? How the images are formed in concave mirror. How the images are formed in concave mirror in different kinds of position in the object. So, see, when we kept in that between pole and focus point, at focus point, between F and C, at C, beyond C. In these cases, we are getting these kind of the images. So these are all that array diagram of concave. How the imagination is formed. First case means nature of the image is real and inverted, like that. So depends upon the position of the object, we are getting the result. Okay. So is that clear, students? Shall we move to the next? Is there any doubt? Means you please ask me. What is pole point? What is focus? What is principal axis? This is the incident ray of the principal axis. Okay. So behind the mirror means the image is formed. This portion is called the behind the mirror point. This is mirror. And then focal length means these two length, the focus point and then pole point, these 2 point, the gap is called as focal length. This is a reflected ray passing through this area, and then incident ray is passed here. Okay, this is incident ray and this is reflected ray also. So incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, though this is called as towards the infinity position. Okay. So this is the clear idea about how the images are formed in concave mirror. And next one, we are going to learn that images formed in that lenses, concave and then convex and normal plane mirror. With the help of the simulation, we are going to learn how the images. So this is concave and convex lens, how the images are formed here. Okay, how the images are formed with the help of the concave and convex and also the mirror, normal mirror. That is the second part. In first part, concave and convex mirror, how the images are formed. First one is, this is lenses, concave. that is concave mirror, and this is concave lens. With the help of the concave and convex lens, how the imagination is formed in this area. So, in the simulation, we can learn how the concave and convex, how rays passes through, how the rays are passed. Yes, there are multiple races. The races, there are multiple images are here to select different kinds of that images, different kinds of the object also available. Pencil, penguin, star, arrow, and light. So this is the arrow. And next one is penguin picture. How the picture, like the penguin, and then light. How the light is reflected in this. Yes, you're going to choose the pencil. So, concave and convex lens. First, we can see the convex lenses working in this area. So, this is the point of radius of curvature. And next one is index of refraction and then diameter. When we are going to changes in these three positions, the imagination is differ and the lens size also differ. And then next one is the color of the imagination and the lens also differ when we are going to move this position. So the radius of curvature is 80 centimeter means how the imagination. Yes, this is inverted image. Okay, yeah. So this is the inverted. When we want to, yes, I increase the radius of the curvature means, yes, the image's length is increased. Yes, these two between the lens to the image's length will be increased when we increase the radius of curvature. And just I'm going to decrease the point. Yes, the position of the image is near to the lens. So concave and then convex, the images is near to the convex lens. This is when we decrease the radius of the curvature. So normal point is 80 centimeter. So the imagination, the image is very clear. So this is the right position. And then index of the refraction, just I move. Index of the refraction means here how the images, the image sizes differ here. Convex lens. And then diameter. Diameter means the size of the lens is adjusted. Just I increase the diameter means the size of the lens is increased. When we decrease the size means this is 65 centimeter means the length of that, the size of the lens is very small. So I adjusted this is the right structure of the lens. 90 centimeter is the right position. So the index of the refraction also 1.50. So this is the right image of that 80 centimeter of the radius of curvature. And next one is next lens. Okay, so this is concave. How the image is formed? It is opposite side. The image is formed in that opposite side in this kind of lenses. Here also, I want to increase the radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is adjusted means the image is far away from the lens. When I decrease that radius of curvature means the image is near to the lens. Same, the refraction also differ. The refraction is adjusted means the size of the imagination is very small. Yes, the index of the refraction will be higher means in convex lens. Sorry, the concave lens, the size is very small. And then diameter also. When I increase that, size of the lens. The diameter is increased means the size of the lens also increased, but there is no changes in the imagination. That the image sizes no change. That diameter means the size of the lens only differ. So this is the right, this is the right idea. So first one, this is the picture, that is the correct object. When we take the pencil object means the light is passed through convex lens. The image is formed in this part. The rays are reflected in this manner. Okay, so already we know about that. This is the principal axis and then reflected rays also. So next one, going to choose the mirror. So this is the plane mirror. So this is plane mirror. This is not concave and convex. This is normal. Plane mirror, how the image is formed in this area. How the images are formed in plane mirror. Pencil is the object. This is the mirror. When the light rays are passed through that area, the light is reflected. The images is formed in that opposite. Inverted images are formed here. The inverted images are formed in the plane mirror. Okay. So when we adjust the radius of the curvature means the image is in infinity position. It is far from the lens. When we increase the radius of curvature means the image is in infinity. And then diameter size will be increased means the size of the images is not changed, but that picture is not clear. When we increase the diameter size means the size of the images is not changed. That clear picture is not clear when we adjust the diameter of the mirror. So this is the right image for when we are taking the plane mirror means concave and then convex lens. So how the image is formed here? Yes, look at the images, how it is formed. So this is the right object. The light is passed here. So the light, this is the reflected area. This is the reflected ray from this object. When the rays are placed on that mirror, convex mirror, so the image is formed in that opposite side. That is already we know that previous simulation, how the images are formed in this area. So how the image is formed in this lens. Okay. So this is the images, that is ray diagram of convex and then concave and then plane mirror formation. Is there any doubt or is there any clarification about this simulation? Do you get any idea about the ray diagram or not? How the images are formed in different kinds of mirror as well as and then lenses and plane mirror also. Is that clear or is there any doubt in this chapter, in this topic? Okay. Next, we are going to learn that how the image is formed, how the refraction, and how does the images reflection and refraction like that. So, what are the condition of that total internal reflection? Internal reflection, what is the reflection? Yes, we are getting that idea about the reflection. What is internal reflection? So in optics chapter, yes, we learned some details about different kinds of mirror, different kinds of lenses and law of reflection. and then how the images are formed in convex and concave mirror, how the ray diagrams are formed. Okay, so these are all the details we learned last two sessions. This session and then past session also. And next topic is internal reflection. What is internal reflection mean? The light is travel from denser medium to rarer medium. There are different kinds of medium the light is passed. Yes, one is the denser medium and then another one is the rarer medium. Okay, so the light is travel to denser to rarer medium means gets refracted from the normal position. So the angle of incidence, the denser medium is increases, angle of refraction also increases. In denser medium, angle of incidence is, the medium is increases. Angle of incidence is increases in that area where that is the denser medium means, and that angle of refraction also increases. Angle of refraction also increases. So, where in the internal reflection concept, angle of incidence increases means angle of refraction also increases. That maximum value is 90 degree, or is equal to 90 degree. That is the particular value of the angle of incidence is called as the critical image. So, the critical angle means what is the internal reflection means when we pass through the light in this area. This is the normal surface. So this is normal surface. In internal reflection mean when we pass the light in this area. The light rays are passed through this area. How it is reflected means the rays are reflected and joined in one point. Okay, so the angle of incidence is exceed the value of critical angle. So the R is a 90 degrees. So the total lines are reflected back to the same medium. So this is called as the internal reflection. Internal reflection is nothing that light travels from to the denser to rarer medium. The light is reflected here and then, so this is the incident ray means opposite is that refracted ray, that is reflected. So the light is reflected here. So this is the angle of incidence is R is 90 degree in this position. So this kind of reflection is called as internal reflections. The light is passed through the denser to that rarer medium means the refraction denser medium increases mean angle of refraction also increases in this area. So angle of refraction, the maximum value of R is equal to 90 degrees. So this is the normal particular value. Angle of incidence is called as the critical angle. So in this angle refracted ray and then surface of the separation between these two media. So what is the conditions that internal reflection mean? Light must travel to the denser to rarer. This is the conditions. What are the conditions for the internal reflection means? First one, the light is passed through the denser to rarer medium. This is the first condition. And second one is angle of incidence inside the denser medium must be greater than the critical angle. That is the second point, second condition of the internal reflection. So where it is possible, where is occur means that in summer day, the water may be on that road. So that summer position, the air is near the ground becomes hotter. So the air at a higher level also, the hotter air is lesser dense, the smaller refractive index than the cooler air. So the ray of the light bends away from the so internal reflection. Where the internal reflection is occur, that is the summer season, that ground area hotter. Okay, a normal the atmosphere air is also hot. So the air is in lesser dense and that refractive index than the cooler area. So the light bends away from the normal. So the internal reflection is occur. Internal reflection of the main cause spectacular brilliance of that twinkling of stars. That is the example of the internal reflections. So what is internal reflection, how it is possible, how it is formed, and then example of that. And then next one is applications of convex and then concave lens, where we are using the convex lenses. Applications of convex lens already. I told that example. First, convex lens use as a camera lens. Camera lens is the best example of that convex lens. And then next one is magnifying lens. Magnifying lens is the convex lens. Okay, so and then next point, we are using the microscope, telescope, the convexes. The convex lens are used in microscope and telescope. Yeah, microscope is in the purpose very small object also will get the clear idea, the large size of the picture with the help of microscope. Telescope means the picture in that far area, but we will get the clear idea about the picture. In the hill station, we are using the telescope. It will be very helpful to see the clear idea of the area. Okay, next one, and hypermetropia. So hypermetropia defect will come means we will use the convex lens. Okay, yeah. So hypermetropia defect will be clear with the help of the convex lens. When convex lenses will be get the correct picture when we use the normal specs. Okay, and then how the concave lens, this is the applications of convex, and then next one is applications of concave. So this just opposite. Hypermetropia means myopia. Myopia defect is clear with the help of concave lenses. When we use that concave lens, myopia defect will be clear. So first one is concave lenses are used in that telescope, and then spy hole doors. Okay, each and in our houses, we are using the small lens fixed into our entering door. So concave mirror is used in that area. So this is very helpful to identify that unknown person who are coming in front of our door, means we can get the clear picture. The help of the concave lenses, we will fix the entering door of our houses. And then next one, the correct defect of the vision is myopia. When we face the myopia defect means when we are using the concave lenses, the myopia defect will be clear using the concave lenses. So these are all the applications of concave and then convex lenses. Okay. So, is there any doubt? Means you please ask me. This is the doubt session. Past two classes, we learned some idea about the topics of optic lesson, mirror and lenses, law of reflection, and then how the imaginations are formed. What is a lens formula? Lens formula means that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. That is just you know what is the lens formula. Lens formula is 1 by focus point. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So this is the important formula of lens. Okay. Students, is there any doubt? Means just you raise your hand or just you put an emoji. Is there any clarifications? Okay. So next one small topic is, any doubt means you please type here. What is the difference between convex lens and concave lens? What is the difference between the concave and convex lens? Convex lens means a convex lens thicker the middle at the edges. Okay. Convex lens means the middle, the thicker point. Where it is thicker means the convex is thicker in the middle and then edges also. And then concave lens means thinner than the middle. Thinner than the middle point. So this is the first difference about the convex and the concave. Thicker in the middle point. So this is convex lens. And then it is called as converging lens. It is called as converging lens. Convex lens is called as converging lens. Concave lens is called as diverging lens. Concave lens is called as diverging. The imagination is converged here in convex lens. The image is diverged in concave lens. So it is called as convex, is otherwise called as converging lens. Concave lens is otherwise called as diverging lens. Produce the real images only. Real images are formed in convex lens. Produces the visual images. Visual images are formed in concave lenses. This is also the important point. And then next one is treatment of hypermetropia. Hypermetropia, treatment of myopia defect. Okay, convex lens is used to treatment of hypermetropia defect. Concave lens is used to the treatment of myopia defect. These are all the differences. First differences, convex lens is thicker in the middle point compared to the edges. Concave lens is thinner compared to the edges. So this is the convex lens, this is concave lens, thicker in the middle point, thinner in the middle point. It is also called as converging, it is called as diverging. It produces real images. It produces visual images. Hypermetropia treatment, we are using convex lens. Myopia defect means we use concave lens. Okay, yeah. So these are all the main difference between the concave and convex lens. It is very good important questions in this optics lesson also. Okay, yeah. Students, is that clear? Is there any doubt? Okay. So, apart from this example, do you have any idea about where we are using the convex and then concave lenses? First, we can, initial part, that is the last session, I told some examples, rear view, mirror, and then normal, prismatic, cupping mirror, like that only. Do you have any for convex and concave lenses? Is there any idea about this? Yes. So this is your task. What are the examples of convex and concave lenses where we are using in our day-to-day life, where we are using the convex and concave mirror, because it is also very good. It will help to get clear idea about the convex and concave mirror, where we used, where the images are formed in that area also will be. No, when we are going to learn or search, just you search where are the lenses, where are the areas we use the lenses, what are the lenses we are using in that area, how the images also formed in that lenses. Okay, so the task of the day is, what is the task? Some examples of concave and convex lenses, usages in our day-to-day life. In our day-to-day life, where we are using the concave and convex lenses, how the images are formed, and then what purpose we are using the concave and convex lenses. Okay, so it will help to learn some more idea about the lenses and the mirror also. Lens and also our mirror. So how we are using the concave and convex mirror, at what purpose we are using, how the images are formed in these two mirror or that lenses. When we are going to search means, definitely you will get clear-cut idea about that, these kinds of mirrors. Okay. Okay, just you go through the topics. Just to draw the pictures also, and then each and especially science means we want to draw each and every picture of that diagram, physics or chemistry or biology, whatever it may be, in all parts the diagram will be help to improve our knowledge also. So these are all different kinds of diagrams are available in that images formation in concave and convex mirror. So the picture will secure more marks. So compared to the theory, so more idea about, we will get the help of the picture. So just I'm going to draw only one picture, that is the object placed at sea. I explained with the simulation so that I didn't draw the picture. When we object placed C position, at C position means where it is the object, means in that, yes, we got some idea about that, what is pole, what is curvature, like that. Okay, so this is the lens. The light is passed through here. This is the center point. The light is passed here. Yes, the image is inverted image. Okay, yeah, the when we kept the object in the place of C means the inverted images occur in this area. Okay. So the light is passed through here. This point is F1. This is 2F1 like that, F2. So this. So in this manner, just you go and practice each and every position of the object when we kept the position of between F and C, and then principal focus, and then F and optical center of O, like the different kinds of images are found like this. So just you practice the diagram as well as the theory also. So the diagram will secure more marks. So diagrammatic questions means the diagram will, when we draw the picture in clear manner, means the theory is clear. The teacher will get the clear idea about yourself when the picture isn't good. So the concept of that topic is very clear. So definitely you will get good mark in diagrammatic questions. So practice will the diagram in each and every topic in physics part, chemistry part, and that biology part also. Okay, yeah. Chemistry means the diagram as well as the equations. Physics and biology mean please you practice the diagram more times. It will be used to your examination part. Will be definitely help to draw a clear diagram in that time also. There is no doubt about that. Okay. So please read all the portions and do the task also. Is there any doubt? Means we will discuss in next session. Thank you, students. Jai Vidya Shakti. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.